Embarking on a culinary adventure through the world of high-protein foods, we find ourselves tangled in a fascinating yet complex web where nutrition and potential dangers, especially for individuals managing diabetes, intertwine in an intricate dance. Protein, often hailed as a crucial building block for our bodies, plays a pivotal role in building muscles, repairing tissues, and ensuring our enzymes and hormones function optimally. However, for those navigating through the daily challenges of diabetes, certain high-protein foods can present unforeseen risks that are vital to explore. Before we continue, if you appreciate all the information and the research that goes into making a video like this, it does help out tremendously if you hit the like button and hit subscribe. Thank you, and let's begin. Enveloping ourselves in the warm, comforting embrace of red meats, we find our first contender in the realm of high-protein foods that warrant a second glance. Red meats, such as beef and pork, are undoubtedly rich in protein and can be a delicious addition to meals. However, studies, including one from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, have indicated a link between red meat consumption and an increased risk of type 2 diabetes, particularly due to their saturated fat content, which can elevate cholesterol levels and promote inflammation. The delicate balance for diabetics involves indulging in red meats judiciously, while ensuring a plethora of other protein sources graces their plates. Wading through the sea of protein, we find ourselves confronted with the delightful yet potentially treacherous waters of shellfish. Shrimp, lobster, and their crustacean cousins bring forth a bounty of protein. However, for diabetics, the high cholesterol content in certain shellfish like shrimp can be a cause for concern. Research from the Journal of Food Science and Technology underscores that while shellfish can be enjoyed, it's imperative for diabetics to monitor their consumption to ensure their cholesterol levels remain in check, safeguarding their cardiovascular health. Navigating further into our culinary expedition, we encounter the hearty and robust world of processed meats. Sausages, bacon, and deli meats might be protein-rich, but they also come with added salts, fats, and preservatives. A study in the journal Diabetologia highlighted a significant link between processed meat consumption and an increased risk of type 2 diabetes, spotlighting the importance of choosing fresh, minimally processed protein sources for a wholesome diabetic-friendly diet. Stepping into the lush green landscapes of soy products, we find another nutrient-dense yet potentially complex protein source. Tofu, tempeh, and edamame are beloved vegetarian protein sources and are often staples in plant-based diets. However, a study from the Journal of Nutrition elucidates that excessive soy consumption may interfere with thyroid functions. Since diabetics are often at a higher risk for thyroid disorders, incorporating a variety of protein sources, alongside soy, ensures a balanced and healthful approach to nutrition. Sailing ahead, the ocean of tuna presents itself with a bounty of protein. Tuna, beloved in sandwiches, salads, and sushi, is undeniably rich in protein and omega-3 fatty acids. However, research in the Environmental Research Journal reveals concerns about mercury levels in tuna, which can pose risks, especially for diabetics, who often have to manage cardiovascular health meticulously. Enjoying tuna while also diversifying protein sources with other fish, like salmon or cod, ensures benefits without potential pitfalls. As we traverse further, we are greeted by the creamy, rich world of full-fat dairy. While cheese, milk, and yogurt are excellent protein sources, full-fat versions can be high in saturated fats. Research from the Journal of Diabetes Care indicates a nuanced relationship between full-fat dairy and insulin resistance, highlighting the importance of choosing lower-fat dairy options for a balanced diabetic diet. Journeying ahead, the crunchy allure of nuts like almonds and cashews unfolds. While they are nutrient-dense and provide a hearty dose of protein, they are also high in calories. A study in the British Journal of Nutrition emphasized the importance of portion control with nuts to prevent inadvertent weight gain, which can be particularly crucial for individuals managing diabetes. Venturing into the vast plains of poultry, we find ourselves amidst a potential dilemma. While chicken and turkey are lean protein sources, opting for skin-on and fried versions can increase unhealthy fat intake. Research from the Journal of the American Heart Association underscores the importance of choosing lean, grilled, or baked poultry to safeguard heart health, especially vital for diabetics. Approaching the culmination of our journey, eggs, with their versatility and nutrient density, present a paradox. They are a fantastic protein source, but have often been under scrutiny for their cholesterol content. Research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition highlights that while eggs can be included in a diabetic diet, it's essential to monitor their consumption and prioritize other protein sources as well to ensure a balanced approach to nutrition. Finally, as we reach the pinnacle of our exploration, supplemental protein powders, especially those with added sugars and artificial ingredients, stand tall as a significant concern for diabetics. While they offer a convenient protein source, certain protein powders can cause unexpected spikes in blood sugar levels. A study in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism revealed that choosing protein powders without added sugars and ensuring they are incorporated into a well-rounded diet is crucial for managing blood sugar levels effectively. A diet rich in protein can be beneficial for individuals with diabetes because it can help stabilize blood sugar levels, promote satiety, and support muscle health. However, not all protein sources are equally suitable for diabetics. Here are 5 of the best high-protein foods for diabetics, along with detailed explanations for each. Salmon. Salmon is an excellent choice for diabetics due to its high-quality protein content and heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. The protein in salmon helps maintain muscle mass and control blood sugar levels. Omega-3s reduce inflammation and lower the risk of heart disease, which is a significant concern for people with diabetes. Tofu. Tofu, a soy-based protein source, is a great choice for diabetics as it is low in carbohydrates and rich in high-quality plant-based protein. It contains phytochemicals that can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of diabetes-related complications. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a protein powerhouse that can benefit people with diabetes. It's lower in carbohydrates and higher in protein compared to regular yogurt. The protein content in Greek yogurt helps control hunger and manage blood sugar levels. Chicken breast. Skinless, boneless chicken breast is a lean source of protein that is low in saturated fat. It's a staple in many diabetic-friendly diets. The absence of skin reduces the fat content, and the high protein content helps with satiety and blood sugar regulation. Quinoa. The protein in quinoa is of high quality, providing essential amino acids. The fiber content helps regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down the absorption of carbohydrates. Quinoa is also a good source of vitamins and minerals, which can support overall health. Navigating through the intricate world of high-protein foods reveals a complex narrative where understanding, balance, and mindful consumption emerge as heroes, especially for individuals managing diabetes. The essence lies not in exclusion, but in embracing a holistic approach to nutrition, where diverse protein sources are celebrated and potential risks are mitigated through knowledge and conscious choices.